Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. My name is Micha, I'm designer and entrepreneur. Today is a very good day to talk about your self-investment. I'm here to help you to reach the next level. Maybe a lot of you wondering yourself how to grow your self-confidence. So let's get started. How the baby acquires his first mother language is very significant. Today we are going to try to understand with the neuroscience how your brain is working. More you learn and more you understand. How the baby learn every abilities and skills to grow up. When baby learn new skills in immersion, he acquire different information in this brain by this parental education in this family, with this scholarity at school and at the university. It's very important to understand how your brain is working. As a baby learns his first mother language, it's very important to be patient because the process takes a long time to develop this brain. By this sense, by input information, more the baby learn new information and more you understand. It's very interesting to understand this. He acquires all of information in this environment. The baby are very sensitive. He feels negative or positive emotions. He remembers the information by this immersion. This fundamental systemic system include the baby builds new connection, new synaptic connection in this brain. And right now you understand how your brain is working and how you could apply this strategy of self-development in your life to reach the next level, to grow your self-confidence and to become more consistent. I just experienced this in a long term. You could apply this for new abilities and skills you want to learn right now. Informations are very accessible in our century 2022. By the innovation and technology, you have access all of